Hey everybody, this is Steve, Mr. Goodtools here, and got a little project I'm going to do today. I'm going to put a security light on the side of the house right here. One of my buddies just went by. Anyway, before I start doing this though, I would like you to go down and give me a subscribe down here on the red button. That'll really help me out. You probably won't get anything extra in your tricks box tomorrow morning, but at least you'll be helping me out. So let me go do this thing. I'll be cutting in and out for the next hour or so while we do this, and let's get this taken care of. So first thing I wanted to do is show you some of the things we're going to be using. We're going to be using a hole saw with the drill. I've got new box that I'll mount the light on. I'm going to put a switch on the wall so I can turn the power on and off to it if I want to. And then I've got a box for that. Got some sealer. There is the ring light right there. That's the baby. And then later on I'll give you a rundown on what all kind of advantages this thing has. It's a pretty nice little light. Going to use some 14-2 wire, and so let's get started. So here we are in the garage. As you can see, I got a couple of helpers here. I don't know how much, they don't really know what a screwdriver is, so I don't know how much help they'll be. What we're going to do is we're going to drill the hole right back up in there. There's where that box is going to be mounted. Wire's going to be running along here. We'll put our switch right here up a little higher so we don't have to worry about somebody bumping it or something like that. And then I'll run my wires right along here and around to that box right there. We're going to connect right to that box there, okay? So let's go do it. Okay, got the hole cut and got the box in for the actual security light. I did run into a couple of little issues. Number one, the drill that I was using out of that DeWalt kit, I think it's the DCF771, didn't really have the horsepower I needed. Is it the 771? Yeah, it's the DCD 771. Didn't quite have the horsepower for what I was using it for. Doesn't mean it doesn't have a lot of horsepower, but I had to break out the old, really old DeWalt. And then what I had to do was I had to sharpen the hole saw up a little bit. Hole saw was a little dull. So yeah, we got that taken care of. Okay. Here we go, there's our box right there. I've mounted the security camera onto it outside. You can see I have a little bit of a service loop that I left. You come over here, wire comes over here, comes down, and there's my switch that I put in the circuit. And then you go up and you follow the wires over here, all the way over to that box that I wired it into, okay? Okay, and here we are on the outside of the house. There it is right there. Can you see me?
Hello, who are you?
Mr. Goodtools, known as your hubby.
Oh, okay, then you stay.
Okay, good. Can you, like, flash me? Yikes! Okay, can you siren me? Oh man, that works pretty good. Okay, thanks. That really tells me that this thing is working. Okay, so what's that?
Did you like it?
Yes, I do. And there we go. This is me. This is Mr. Goodtools, and thanks for following me today. Actually, I'm gonna go get that the info on that camera and put it on here. And let you guys know what I installed. Okay, and here's the box to the Ring Floodlight Cam that I installed. It's a 1080p HD video, two-way talk, advanced motion detection. We have to turn it down because every time a car drives by, it tells us there's a car driving by. So that's a little bit too sensitive for it. It took a little bit to get it hooked up to the internet, but once we got it hooked up to the internet, it's great. We're thinking this is really going to work out. So thanks a lot. This is Mr. Goodtools signing off, and give me a subscribe down there if you can, and go check this Ring Floodlight Cam out on Amazon if you want. I'll leave the connection, the link down in the comments. Okay, thanks a lot.